If you decided to click on this video, it's either because you are taking YouTube seriously, or you have just started on your YouTube journey, or you just want to learn how you can plan for your videos to make your videos better, to make your channel grow more, hopefully by the end of it make some money and have a bit of time for your family, friends and your laundry by the end of it. So in the last couple of months, I have been crafting together this YouTube plan that I will share with you today. And the first thing we need to think about is our YouTube idea. What is our next video going to be about? And sometimes the solution is to just take a shower, get some shower thoughts and move on. But no, if you are stuck on your next idea, go on YouTube and search for the topic or the niche that you are in. So if we quickly jump over to the computer, this is my YouTube studio. If you want me to make a video on the YouTube studio itself and the features and stuff, let me know in the comment section. But basically what I like to do is to click on this inspiration tab. And as you can see, it already gives me suggestions on type of videos that I can make. I have already saved some. How to use VidIQ for your channel. I have already made that video, so I can actually delete it, but I will keep it for now. And I can search how to grow on YouTube, and it will show me all of the different videos that are related to that niche. But obviously you type in whatever niche that you are in, if it's makeup, Minecraft, whatever, and you type in Minecraft, for example, and it will give you some ideas. I can click here, I can highlight the ones that I would like to make a video on, or I can look at this. This is basically me searching on YouTube because there are a bunch of videos there. Maybe you need to be a bit more specific. And now that you have your video idea, we need to make a title and a thumbnail. Here's the thing. People tend to jump right into making scripts, right into filming the video without having any idea if the video will perform. Here is where VidIQ comes in, but basically what you do is you click on the keyword tab over here and you search your keyword for your video. If I type in Minecraft, for example, it will show me that it has an overall really good score. But I already see that the competition for this is really high. So even though I have said in the past, and I'm still standing by this, everything over 60 is really good, I understand that I can't really title my video just Minecraft. So then I can click on the matching terms, and I can see that there are a bunch of different stuff related to Minecraft, Minecraft music. I can click on the questions tab. There are a bunch of questions that I can use in my video. How to get the TikTok cape in Minecraft, and it tells me that it's a high search volume and a medium competition. So this one is probably good. This is not your title. This is just an idea of the topic or like the niche that you are trying to make your videos in to understand, okay, is it a high competition? Is it a high search volume right now? This might change in like 2 months time, but as of right now, this is an okay video to make. So then we can move on to the sketch of the thumbnail. Not the thumbnail itself, you can work on your thumbnail for hours, but now we need to figure out what type of thumbnail do we want to make. Take some old pictures, take some new pictures, sketch it out, use your iPad, your phone, whatever. Just have in your mind at least, how is this thumbnail gonna look? Because it will make it easier for you to match your thumbnail, your title with your overall video. And that will make the viewer not feel as clickbaited. You can always have something in the thumbnail or in the title that can be a bit, aha, you need to click on this because you never know, na. And now we go over to the idea, to the script and everything else. And remember this, every time you get an idea, write it down on your phone, on a note, whatever. Don't throw it away, don't delete it, because you will never know if that idea can be something in the future. So just keep everything. But when you have a bigger idea and you know for a fact that you're going to make this video, this is my Notion. This is where I plan every single video. If we open up my last video, the YouTube algorithm, I can click on this one and it gives me a basic overview. So as you can see, I have like a title here. It's just for the document. I have some title ideas. I have a script. We can take a look at the script. I've been writing a bunch of stuff. I have a version 2. I have some bullet points. If you do not make scripts for your videos, I strongly recommend you to make bullet points, talking points, whatever, to have something in your mind while you are filming your video. I have done so many times is that I've been filming my video for like 2.5 hours, and then I need to edit it down and down and down and down, and then after it's down to like 5 minutes, the video doesn't really make any sense. You can hear it in my voice and it's just bad. So have some bullet points. I have everything here. I have my script, I have my title, my ideas, and as you can see, I have like an overview. This one is not perfect. The niche is a YouTube video. I'm currently filming this video. It's gonna be published on this date, and here is supposed to be the URL. I haven't really put it in, and it's just an overview for me to understand, okay, it's 2024, the 6th month, and the 3rd video in this month. So I just have everything in here, and I have another note thing on my phone where I put all of the ideas that I will come to in the future. But this is sort of like the work in progress. Right now, I'm filming this video. I will change it to editing and publish when it's done. Back into the YouTube studio. As you can see, we have the engagement on this video. How far did they watch this video? First 30 seconds, 56% were watching from start to finish. They might have been skipping around. I can see where people have been clicking, liking, disliking. It's really important after you have uploaded your video to go back on the uploaded video to see how does it perform, where in the video do people drop off, because people will drop off, what type of related videos are your audience watching, is there something there that you can grab and make a video on. I can click here to see my audience. Not a lot of people have been subscribing, so please subscribe if you enjoy my content. Most of them are from Norway, some of them are from United States. So there we have the YouTube studio. Everything in here is pretty important. If you want me to make an entire video on YouTube studio, let me know in the comment section. If you want to know a bit more about vidIQ, watch this video right here. I will explain everything. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye.